The early buildings at the fort were made of cottonwood nailed to a frame, and then dirt and grass and mud put in the cracks, and the roofs were thatch or whatever materials they could find. Water is the key to life in the West. And the job of this fort was to protect travelers from the natives. And since the water was key, when they took over the water wells and guarded them from the natives had no choice but to surrender and go on a reservation. This is the commanding officer's quarters on the post. And I'm assuming you can hear that wind. Yesterday it was 96. Today I doubt it's 50. And there's a wind blowing, and it definitely feels like winter. So we're going to go on. And we're going to go up the steps and come into the house. Unfortunately, they don't have the stove going for us, so it's not any warmer here. I'm assuming this is the parlor. This is a bedroom. And unfortunately, I can't get a good angle without getting reflection on the glass. Now you get a little bit better view of the bedroom. I had to go outside and look in the window. Ah, I must be a Peking Tom. This is the back parlor. Beyond that is the dining room. And this is where the family would have met and spent their time. The front parlor was for the company. Here's another bedroom. Sewing room. And that round thing right there is a bathtub. Mostly sponge baths. Big building in the back is off limits to us. And that is the hospital. But the thing you can see from here, besides the smoke, is how rugged the country is.